and Tim, and this is going to be our first rocket launch with here in the golf course, and before winter time. And here we go. This is Tim.
Ready?
Yeah.
Rocket.
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo-wee! Oh, it's coming down. Parachute's out. Oh, it's coming down. Let's go.
Oh, the parachute didn't come out very well.
Let's go. Whoa, this is going to be deep.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, it's down. Watch out the thorns. Well, at least this time we're not running, right?
Yeah.
Should we just go right there?
See where it went?
Yeah, I thought, should we go down?
Yeah.
Let's go down here. Yeah. You alright? Don't fall.
Alright, let's go find the rocket.
Should we run this?
Okay.
It's thorns. Eruption.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, I see it.
Look at that. It landed right on its,
Yeah, but it's in the mud. Oh, look at all that eruption. Oh, look at all this eruption. Right?
Yeah.
And now we're going to climb back up there, grab all the stuff, and then, imagine that.
Look at that, it landed. Cool.
Yeah.
Parachute did not come out properly.
Aww.
It got tangled up, as you can see.
Oh, wow. It's muddy.
Yeah.
Should probably get out of here.
Yeah, the mud's back.